Look at the top of my roof on my shit, cause I see an intruder. Better not open that door if you didn't know that's an intruder. You never know who's an intruder.
Okay, so we're starting off with the Absolute New York pencil, and I am shading in her brows. Just light strokes. It's going pretty fast because I had to do it as a fast-paced, long story. But I'm using that pencil to just shade and do light strokes in her brows, just going against the same shape of her brows. I also took my Absolute New York brow dip gel in the shade chocolate. Both of the pencil and the gels in the same shade, but they have different shades to them, if I said that correctly. I'm going along her brow with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, and my little concealer brush, I guess you can call it. I've already painted her lids with the I'm taking this shade from this Morphe palette that I have. I don't remember, I think it's the 32B palette, I want to say, but I might be wrong. It's like this tan shade. I wanted to use that as her transition shade. Then I took like a brownish grayish tone as the top underbrow tone, and then I took this purple shade in there and to put that right on her lid, but I've only wanted it to be on that lid. I didn't want it to be anywhere else, so I took my crease brush. Then I put a spotlight eye. I think I used about 2 different shades of shimmer colors. I think I want to say probably like a silverish tone, but more of a lavender type color, if you get what I'm saying. Also, I used my Sephora all matte liner. I love that liner, y'all. Cleaned up her brows with Black Opal liquid foundation in the shade Hazelnut. Goes perfect on her tone. Y'all know I'm all about skin. If you don't, I am all about skin. I'm using my Real Techniques brush to blend in her foundation. Use all pat motions, ladies, don't forget. Once again, I'm back with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. I'm using it in all the areas I like to conceal, on the eye, the nose, and new techniques that you now see. I will talk more on that when I have a slower video. If you guys want to see detailed, I got you. I'm blending out her under eye, as you can see, with a Sephora and a Real Techniques concealer brush. Now I'm going in her T-zone, well, not her T-zones, I'm sorry. I'm contouring her face with a warm color. This is more so of a bronzer type shade, because I want her skin to be warm. I want it to look awakened. I didn't want it to look like nighttime. I wanted to give it more of a glowy look. I took my Sacha Buttercup powder, and that is what I use on all the concealed areas. So now I'm going in with my blush. It's a reddish tone, and I'm using my Secure Cosmetics highlighter in the shade Hello. And then I think I also use Melanie by Sweets just to give it that real bright highlighter. I'm going in with a gel black pencil of any sort, long as it works. Right here I went in with actually a brown dip brow that I use on her brows. Because I didn't have a pencil right here, I'm using Fenty's Diamond Milk lip gloss. I love this lip gloss, the best lip gloss in the world.
Ballin' on you, shop spreads, you know I spent some dollars on you. I wanna fuck in the condo, I had to straight up a convo. I like the way you talk, I like the way you walk. So don't tell me to go,